how to recover Lumix MDT video files. So if you want to recover Lumix MDT video files, then what you need to do is you just need to simply install a recovery expert, which is iMyFone DPAC. It's a hard drive recovery expert. This is a tool that anyone can use to recover corrupt MDT files. It supports different file types, formats, and is much cheaper than the other data recovery tools. So step one is you need to download this tool and install it on your PC. And after opening, you'll find all of the drivers connected to your computer. As we need to recover the MDT video files, you need to go and select the drivers with the MDT files. Once you do that, you need to go and select the documents, and it will scan the drive. After the scan, you can preview all of the MDT files. You can also use a file filter. It will help you filter photos and videos as well. So once you know what files you need to recover, you need to select all of those files and then click on the recover option, which will be in the bottom of your screen. After that, you can check your files and you will have all of your files that you've lost. That's how you can recover your Lumix MDT video files. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.